Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect ClickUp with Claude. To begin, open Claude in your browser. Starting from the main Claude page is the easiest way to make sure you can access all of the account and workspace options you'll need for this setup. Once the page is loaded, look over to the left side of the screen where the main navigation panel appears. From there, click on Settings. This is where Claude keeps account preferences, workspace options, and available integrations. If you do not immediately see everything you need, give the page a moment to load fully before moving on. Inside Settings, select Connectors. This section is specifically for linking Claude with external tools and services, so this is where the connection process begins. Connectors allow Claude to access supported platforms in a more direct and organized way, which can help streamline your workflow once setup is complete. Next, click Customize. This area lets you manage which connectors are available in your Claude workspace. If the connector you need is already visible, you can move ahead more quickly. If not, don't worry, because the next screen gives you a way to browse and add more options. If the connector is not there, click Browse Plugins, and then click Connector. This helps you find and enable additional integrations that are not currently shown in your list. Take a moment here to carefully scan the available options so you can choose the correct connector. It's a good idea to double-check the name before proceeding, especially if you have several similar tools available. Once that's done, you should see a Connect button beside it. Go ahead and click Connect. This tells Claude that you want to begin linking the service to your account. At this point, Claude may open a new prompt, panel, or authorization window depending on how the connector is set up. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to continue. The exact prompts can vary, so it's best to read each screen carefully and approve the requested access only when you understand what is being connected. In most cases, this part involves confirming permissions and finishing the authorization process. After you complete those prompts, the connection should be set up and ready to use. If anything doesn't appear right away, refreshing the page or returning to the connectors section can help confirm whether the integration was added successfully. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting ClickUp with Claude.